transform property rotation, you can rotate with X direction, Y direction, or Z direction. So there are 3 directions that you can use to rotate X, Y, and Z. Here's the example. Transform property rotate X, rotation increment plus degree. So we rotate once, twice, third, fourth. The rotation increment variable is created right here. So each time we rotate by 35 degree. At the beginning, no rotation. So right here is 0 degree, no rotation. And then we rotate by 35, and 2 times 35, 3 times 35, 4 times 35. So that's how it goes. That's the beginning right here, and then it go in. I think it's if you look at it from this side here, look at it from this direction here, from right to left. It's like a clockwise. It goes this direction here. So you can see that one at the beginning, no 0 degree, and then it go inward, and then more inward, and then it come this part come the other side right here, and then keep going like this. So it goes this way. So if we look at the picture here, you can see it goes this way. You follow the arrow, so it's clockwise. When you give a positive value, but if you give a negative value, it'll go counterclockwise. If you give a positive value goes by clockwise. So this is the one here, and then more and more and more and more, and go back here. So this can see this is the rotation. And when you look at that, when it goes 4 times, it's 140 degrees. So it's like this. So N is here, R is here. This is the rotate X. But look at the code here again. You can see rotate X. We call property rotate X in transform. And see here we create a line here, because here we create a center line. Center line is right here, center line. And this is the square. The square has view and text rotation. So this square rotation text. And here's the style that I've created here. It's the variable square size rotation increment. And here's the style for container text title, title text. That is this one here. And then center line, that's this one here. And square container. In square we have a size, display, height and width, square text, and label text. So that's how we get this. This is a rotate X. Now let's look at a rotate Y. Rotate Y, if you give a positive value, it goes counterclockwise, go this direction. Now let's see this example here. Here we call rotate Y. Same thing as this one here. At the beginning we get a 0 degree here. And then we increment by 35 each time. And 2 times 35. 3 times 35. 4 times 35. So this is rotated 0, rotated 35, and then rotated 70, so it goes that way. And rotated 105, and rotated 140. So that's the complete code right here. You can see, which is the same thing called square, but this time I say rotate X and rotate Y instead of rotate X. And the rest of it is the same. And the third option is rotated by Z direction. If you give a positive value, it goes this way, clockwise. So if you look at the code, this is what we have here. Is the rotate, 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 rotate by Z direction. So if you look at the code here, this is what we have here. Rotate Z, rotation increment 35, 2 times 35, 70, and 3 times 75, 105, and 140 degrees. So that's what we have here. And the rest of the code is almost similar.